Let's begin with a quick makeup tutorial for bridesmaid, sharing all the tips and tricks for winters and sensitive skin. Prepping skin with primer, pore minimizer and moisturizer is very important. Let's do a soft color smoky using earthy shades in crease line and light lavender at the corner of her eye. We will groom her eyebrows with a tinted brow gel and use a mascara before adding false lashes. Once false lashes fixed and secured, we'll curl them up with eyelash curler. We will define her beautiful eyes with a waterproof wing liner. Use liquid foundation during winters as it is light on skin and does not look cakey at all. Let's contour her face with cream to powder based product so that it's non-transferable. Finish up with a cream based blush on apple of her cheeks. Don't forget to contour bridge of her nose. Let's fill in the outer corner of her eye with a kohl to create depth. Don't forget to moisturize lips in winters, Start with a lip pencil and fill with a cream based lip color. Avoid using matte lipsticks. Last but not the least, finish makeup with makeup fixing spray. And here, our beautiful bridesmaid is ready to rock and roll.